And here at home, spring break brings a large number of visitors to the valley. Now doctors are concerned about the impact this week could have on COVID cases in our area. CBS 4's Bryce Helms has more from health experts on what we could expect after spring break.
In March of 2020, the valley reported its first case of COVID shortly after spring break. Now, 2 years later, Hidalgo County Health Authority Dr. Ivan Melendez says spring breakers will have a small impact on new COVID cases reported in the valley.
The people that are on spring break, which a lot are not immunized, it's the lowest group per age of people immunized, but they're young. So very few of these people will end up in the hospital because of COVID.
COVID cases in the valley have decreased dramatically from their peak in late January.
Before, every 5 minutes, there was a code being called, someone dying. I haven't admitted someone with COVID in about 5 days. I have people with COVID now, but I have not admitted a new patient in about 5 days, which is fantastic.
And while hospitalizations are down, new cases are still in the hundreds, but trending down.
I feel happy. I'm a little, apprehensive that it's too good to be true. But I do think that we're going from a pandemic mode to an endemic mode, and that this disease will be like the flu.
COVID being endemic means the virus will always be around, but in lesser numbers. While we're moving toward that, Melendez says we aren't done with the pandemic just yet.
We're not in the first inning, but we're not in the ninth inning. But certainly things look a lot better. But people are still dying every day. I mean, we still have almost 70 people in the hospital. It's about 7% of the hospital beds right now are being occupied with people with COVID.
Working for you in Hidalgo County, I'm Bryce Helms.